Hi friends, welcome back. MS Access Essentials 2. So, in this we will be discussing about what is Access databases and what are the objects of database. So, this is very essential to understand for a better performance of basically the learning performance of database MS Access rather. Sorry. So, what is Access database? So what we without any layman, who just heard about an MS Access, they feel that Access is just a small storage place where the data is kept. It's not that. So Access is not a storage place of any data, but it is a tool to interact with the database. So, and it's a very customized application for interacting with the data. So Access database provides all the tools for efficiently moving database in and out. Like we can import data from Excel kind of thing and other database SQL methodology, and also we can export as reports. So this has got a database in and out movement is there, and maintain the quality of the data. So basically the validity and consistency of the data, performing analysis. So basically after a report is created, we can understand the trends of certain data, and if it is a revenue or so many aspects, and areas of opportunities, generating statistics, creating performance metrics. So we can do all these activities by performing the analysis, and that Access database provides for and it's a tool for all these things. So creating organized reports for management to take informed and intelligent decisions, and automating repetitive tasks where you have to speed up your workflow environment. Now we have database objects. So we need to understand this. This is very important because this is the basic step for getting into an Access database. So we need to understand this. So the components of Access database collectively called as database objects. So that is tables, queries, forms, reports, and macros. Tables. Basically, this is the place where we store the data in an organized manner. So it is as good as an Excel thing. It has rows and columns. Rows are called as records and columns are called as fields. And it's basically, this is a structurized home for the data to live in. Second thing is queries. Gather records for analysis for further processing. Basically a question which needs an answer from the structured database. We can say that. Forms. Interact with the database and enter data. So it's basically an interactive framework where you enter the data. Reports. Prepare the data for export and print, and you can share with through an email to your colleagues and wherever the user of the data is there. And finally macros. So automating the process and controlling the interactivity, as good as we have macros in Excel. So this is basically the 5 sets of database objects, very important to understand. So in the next video, I will talk about how the objects are viewed, and what is the view of objects, and how the technicality behind it, and then I'll explain how an Access database works and how best it is useful, and why actually Access database we have to use. So I'll give an explanation. So thanks for watching this, and keep watching.